Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this heated camping chair that supports 500 pounds, and it comes with this really nice and convenient bag so you can actually take it with you. It's not super heavy, I have to say, so you can use it as a backpack or just like use it like this and take it with you if you're like into camping, hiking, fishing, going to the beach, or just whatever you want. If you're like a soccer mom, soccer dad, or something like that, and wanna keep kind of like watching your children, your kid playing soccer, playing sports, while also being in the winter season. This one comes with a heated pad with 3 different actually heating levels. Let me actually take it out of the bag so I can show it to you. So the chair just comes like this, super lightweight, super easy to use, and then it's foldable. So you're gonna unfold it just like this and make sure that everything is set in place. And once you do that, by the way, it's so padded. It's really well padded everywhere. You're gonna make sure to take the cables right here and connect it to a power bank or power banks. In this case, we're gonna use just this one over here. It has the 2 USB ports. We're gonna actually turn it on just from here, and we're gonna put it inside. Once you put it inside, you can actually close the zipper, and you can still use this one, for example, for like a water bottle or something like that. But then comes with the 2 buttons for the 2 sections over here, so you can actually turn them on and actually start feeling that heating level, the 3 heating levels that comes with. But let me show you how well padded this one is. Yes, I was telling you before, I still can't believe how well padded this one is. It has like a really nice cushion everywhere, not just like right here in the back, but everywhere it has like a really nice cushion. So we're gonna turn them on. And it's actually pretty wide, I have to say. So short press that it says, okay, now I can see that it's red. So this one, I'm gonna turn the other one on too as well. And that one is green, so we're gonna put it 1, 2. Okay, so these are both heating right now. And this one is super wide. You can see how wide this one is and supports 500 pounds. So that's actually quite a really nice amount of weight. And it comes in multiple colors. I like this kind of like camel one. I think it's kind of like more like camping wise, or just like going out for hiking, or just going on a picnic or something. Oh, this is actually heating up already. Ooh, yeah, this is nice. I have to say that this is nice. It's right here in my back now, but a little bit on the bottom side as well. It's kind of weird because it's heating up like really good, but it's not super cold outside, but it's kind of like cloudy, so it's not a sunny day at all. So it's a little bit windy too, and I can feel like it's not super cold outside, but not like temperature. But this one is heating up. Oh, it's heating up already right here on my back as well. Yeah, this is fantastic. Works really nice, works really good. Super fast heating, actually. Was not expecting this to be super fast. This one, the power bank that I'm using is, I think, 10,000 milliamps. So make sure to at least use that one. But you can use whatever other power bank you have. The cups not included with the package. So then you fold it back, you put it in the bag, and you're ready to go and take it with you on the go. This is super nice. I'm going to just chill a little bit right here. Heats up really nice with the multi-levels and the multi-heating pads. Super well padded and supports 500 pounds. This is a really nice heated throne, actually. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you soon.